Welcome to our channel. This video will cover the topic of
the email automation trick that transformed my small business overnight. Are you tired of spending hours sending manual emails to your customers? In this video, I will share with you a game-changing email automation trick that completely transformed my small business overnight. With this simple yet powerful technique, you will be able to streamline your email marketing efforts, save valuable time, and supercharge your business growth. Join me as I guide you through the steps to revolutionize your email strategy and take your business to new heights. Intro. Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to help small business owners succeed. In today's video, we'll reveal the secret to transforming your business overnight using email automation. Are you ready to save time and watch your business thrive? Let's get started. The power of email automation. In this digital age, email marketing plays a crucial role in driving business growth. However, manually sending emails to each customer can be daunting and time-consuming. This is where email automation comes to the rescue. Streamline your email marketing efforts. With email automation, you can streamline your email marketing efforts by setting up pre-designed email sequences that are triggered based on specific actions or time intervals. This means you can reach your customers at the right moment with personalized content, without lifting a finger.
Saving time for business owners.
Imagine the amount of time you can save by automating your email tasks. This newfound efficiency allows you to focus on what really matters: growing your business. Spend your time on strategic planning, improving products or services, and nurturing customer relationships. The technique that changed everything. The real magic lies in a technique known as dynamic email personalization. By harnessing the power of data, you can create highly targeted and personalized emails that speak directly to your customers' needs, preferences, and behaviors. Unleash your business's potential. Implementing email automation paired with dynamic personalization can unlock your business's true potential. By delivering tailored content to your customers, you'll enhance customer engagement, increase conversions, and ultimately drive more revenue. Are you ready to transform your small business overnight? Start leveraging the power of email automation and dynamic personalization today. Stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks to help you succeed in the competitive business world.